In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Alibaba customer support. Navigating customer service options can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with this straightforward guide, you'll be able to connect with Alibaba's support team in no time, ensuring you can resolve any issues or answer any questions you might have while using their platform. First, let's start by heading over to Alibaba.com. This is where you'll find the primary resources available to assist you with your needs. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Often, important links and resources are placed in the footer of websites, and Alibaba is no exception. As you reach the bottom, you'll want to keep an eye out for the Help Center link, which is crucial for reaching out to their support services. Now that you've located the Help Center, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a dedicated section of the website specifically designed to help with a wide range of inquiries, everything from simple questions to more complex concerns about their services. Once you're in the Help Center, you're faced with a couple of options depending on what kind of help you need. If you have a specific question in mind, you can immediately make use of the search bar prominently displayed on the page. Enter your question here. For example, if you want to know about shipping policies or product details, just type in your query. The search function is a fantastic tool because it allows you to tap into an extensive database of frequently asked questions, guides, and official documents that might just have the answers you're seeking without any additional steps. However, if you prefer to get support directly from a person, don't worry, that's entirely possible too. Simply move on to click on the online service option. This feature connects you to Alibaba's customer service representatives who are ready to assist you with more tailored support. It's great for when your questions are unique or require personalized solutions that automated resources can't provide. And there you have it, a simple way to navigate Alibaba's support system. Whether you're digging through their Help Center resources or reaching out for a live chat through the online service, Alibaba offers multiple avenues to ensure you're not left in the dark. Keep in mind that clarity and patience go a long way when interacting with support staff. They'll be more than happy to assist you with whatever you need. That's all for today's video. I hope this guide makes your journey with Alibaba smooth and stress-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.